Internet, ActionTeacher here. Today we're going to talk about gyoza. How do you say gyoza in English? Do you know? Well, there's two ways to say it. You can say potsticker. Potsticker is usually fried gyoza. Or you can say dumplings, and dumplings are usually boiled gyoza. Now, as you know, there were some tainted gyoza found. There have been many cases of tainted gyoza found in Japan, and a lot of people have gotten food poisoning from this tainted gyoza. Now, what was in the gyoza? Well, pesticide. Pesticide is a kind of chemical used to kill insects or bacteria or things that make plants sick. Now, you might think, pesticide, that sounds like suicide. And you're right. They both have the same ending of side. Side means kill. And other words that use this ending are the words homicide and insecticide. If you like watching television dramas, sometimes the policeman will say, I'm in homicide, and he'll show his badge, right? Hey, Maggie. Maggie's coming in. Anyway, and insecticide, of course, is used as a chemical used to kill insects. So we have pesticide, suicide, homicide, and insecticide. And there are more sides, but those are the big ones, okay? Now, remember, the gyoza was tainted. Tainted means basically made bad. It had something in it that kind of ruined the whole thing. Tainted could also be used for memories. For example, let's say that you have a favorite restaurant with your girlfriend and you always go to that restaurant together, and it's kind of your romantic restaurant. Oh, it's a beautiful memory, that restaurant. Every time you go to that restaurant, you think of you and your girlfriend. But one day, you find a picture in her room, and it's a picture of her old boyfriend and her at the same restaurant. Oh no, now your memory is tainted. It's made dirty by the fact that you found out that her old boyfriend and her used to go to the same restaurant together. That's terrible. Okay, what else do we want to talk about? Okay, so a lot of people got sick. Yes, a lot of people got sick. And what did they suffer? Well, a lot of people got dizzy. One person fell into a coma. But the most common problem was the feeling of nausea. People felt nauseous or nauseated. Now, these words are very confusing, and actually in the last 20 years or so, linguists have been arguing over what is the correct usage. You know, what is correct? Do we say, I'm nauseous, or I'm nauseated, or I'm nauseating? Now, this is a very complicated subject, and many people argue. So what I'm going to do here is put a few examples to the left, but in common everyday conversational English, you can just say, I feel nauseous. I feel nauseous. That's good enough for modern day English. You could correctly say, I feel nausea. I feel nausea. Or, that's nauseating. That's nauseated. I am nauseated is correct. But again, if you start listening to me and trying to make sense in your head from this video alone, it will be very confusing. So please just check the description box here, and I'll write examples and explain the difference between these confusing words. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. See you soon. Bye.